This video demonstrates how to update a data source using a button in App Designer. For this example, we will be using the discussion widget. To start off, select the data box of the data entry section which encloses the button. Navigate to block properties and select the data source for which you would like to update. Now select the box hyperblock, navigate to block properties, and then to action and select the data sources you would like to update. Now select the settings icon next to the selected data sources and select the operations you would like to perform. In this case we selected insert and refresh. Ensure to add the required override values to apply changes to a specific string of data within the data source. In this case we are using an alert ID. Select apply to save changes. Navigate to the second data source and select the operations you would like to perform when the button is pressed. In this case we selected both update and refresh. Apply the changes and select save to save all changes. Now launch the application to observe results. When data is entered in the data entry section and the button is selected, the selected data sources are updated and the page is refreshed to include the new updates made to the selected data sources.